What does a black hole sound like? NASA actually captured one, and it is terrifying. In 2022, NASA released eerie audio from the Perseus Galaxy Cluster, a black hole 250 million light-years away. Sound in space? Is not space silent? Yes, but this region has hot gas, allowing sound waves to travel. They translated those waves into human-hearable frequencies. And the result? A deep, haunting cosmic growl, like the universe is screaming. It is not just creepy, it is a reminder of how mysterious space truly is. This sound came from something that can swallow light itself. Let that sink in. A black hole has a voice. Would you dare listen in the dark? Follow for more haunting facts from the final frontier.